All right, to get started, we're going to go ahead and download Visual Studio 2022, the Community Edition. So if you do a search for that on the internet, you'll go to Visual Studio on Microsoft.com's website. And the Community Edition is essentially a free edition of Visual Studio. Now, you will need to create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. If you have an old Hotmail email or an Outlook.com email address, you'll already have a Microsoft account. But you'll need to go ahead and create one if you don't have one already. And one important thing here is because we're going to be doing Windows Forms or WPF applications, which are basically running on native Windows personal computers or laptops, we need to install this .NET Desktop Development. So basically what will happen is when you download and install this, a wizard will appear, which will ask you which things or which components you want to install. I would just go ahead and install the Universal Windows Platform Development and then this .NET Desktop Development, and that's probably all you need to get started with doing some of the stuff that we're going to showcase in these lessons. Okay, so here I am. I've actually downloaded the installer, and before it does a major download, it just basically showcases this, and you can scroll down to different areas. So in this case, we're doing desktop and mobile development, right? So we definitely want this .NET Desktop Development. You may want the Universal Platform Development, but I'm not really doing that. So really what matters here is that we want C#, Windows Forms, WPF type applications, and this .NET Desktop Development is essentially what we need to download. Now, once you've got that, you'll see the total space required here at the lower right, and you'll press the install button, and that'll take a little bit to download from the internet and install on your computer.